Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And very good morning to the people out there. Today I'll be explaining on how to do pickled mangoes. It's very simple and it doesn't take that long to do it. So let's dive into it, shall we? The first step of doing the pickled mangoes. First we're gonna peel the skin of the mango like this. Okay, so once we have peeled the skin of the mangoes, so the third step is we're gonna cut the mangoes into pieces. So how we're gonna do that is we're gonna cut it into half. So we're gonna cut it into half, and then once we get the cross section of the longitudinal section of the mango, we just cut into like this. Okay, so now that all the mangoes are already cut, so the next step is we're gonna add some vinegar, salt, and sugar. So for the rest of the material we can put it aside for a while. Okay, so next is we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of vinegar first. Like this, and then we put it like that. Now the reason why I'm putting vinegar, because vinegar has a pH value of 2.5, which is equivalent to acidic substance. So this will kill the microorganisms once I mix it up, and this will kill the microorganisms inside the mango once I put it eventually later. So next is we're gonna put 2 tablespoons of salt. Okay, gonna put it like this. Like that. Okay. So next we're gonna put 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now we have put all the tablespoons of vinegar, sugar, and salt. So then we're gonna mix it up.
Transition.
Okay, so once we have done mixing the salt, vinegar, and sugar inside the water, mix it with the water. So next step is we're gonna put the mangoes that we just cut before inside the bowl, inside an empty container. Okay, so once we have put all the mangoes inside this container right here, what we're gonna do is just pour the solution of salt, sugar, and vinegar just now inside the container like this. So once we have mixed this, it will look like this. So what does hypertonic solution has to relate with this? Okay, so when we all know that the solution of the mixture of salt, sugar, and vinegar creates a high solute concentration of the water, which means that the water has a high solute concentration because of the mixture of salt, sugar, and vinegar. Now, when we put the mango, or should I say when we put the solution inside a container containing mangoes, this will cause the water to diffuse from the mango to outside of the cell, because the outside of the mango has a high solute concentration because of the mixture just now. So we call this process as plasmolysis, which is the movement of water from the mango to outside the cell. Now what will happen after this is because the vacuole inside the mango to shrink due to the fact that the water inside the vacuole goes out of the cell. So in conclusion, we can say that the mixture of the salt, sugar, and vinegar creates a hypertonic solution. So when the mango is put inside the hypertonic solution, there's 4 things that we're gonna remember. One is the concept, one is the movement of water, and there is the condition of the cell, and what is process involved. So in this case, the concept is hypertonic solution, which I just explained just now. The movement of water, the water diffuse out from the vacuole to outside of the cell, which water diffuse out of the vacuole inside the mango. And then third is the condition. So when the water diffuse out, the vacuole inside the mango will shrink. This will cause the mango to shrink. And then the process involved is plasmolysis, which is the process where water diffuse out of the mango into outside the cell. So in this case, water diffuse from the mango to the solution mixture of salt, sugar, and vinegar. So that's all I have to explain for hypertonic solution. That's all. So the last step of making the pickled mangoes is we're gonna put it inside the fridge. We're gonna put it inside the fridge like this. And then now we just wait for a few days. So after 2 days of waiting for the pickled mango to be finished process, let's see the results. And this is the final results.